everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a font on Windows 10. Now you can uninstall a font from the Settings app and from the Control Panel app. It's up to you which app you choose. If you want to uninstall a font from the Settings app, you need to first open the app and then go to the Personalization group of settings. Here you're going to find a Font tab. Go ahead and click it, and if you remember the name of the font, use this search bar at the top to look for it, or just go ahead and browse through the fonts that are shown here until you find the font that you want to remove. Once you find it, click it, and you're going to be taken to a dedicated screen for the font. And on this screen, you're going to find this uninstall button. Click it, and the font is going to be uninstalled. Now, if you want to uninstall fonts from Control Panel, what you need to do is you need to open Control Panel and then select Appearance and Personalization. On the Appearance and Personalization screen, you're going to have to select Fonts. And again, you get a complete library of all the fonts that are installed on your Windows 10 system. Right-click the font that you want to uninstall and then select Delete from the context menu. And that's about it. Be careful if you're deleting a font that is currently being used in a document or another file like a Photoshop file, because once you remove it, the file might be corrupted or parts of the file might be missing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.